Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to do a quick unboxing. I know this is not new, but I'm just thinking that this is just a brilliant solution if you ever had the same dilemma as I did. So for today, I got myself this is really an unboxing because it's still sealed. So I got myself a MagSafe power adapter. And backstory, I have a MacBook Air 13-inch. It's mid-2013 model, and for some reason the charger, the metal part of the charger got eroded. It's this one, it's this part eroded, I mean corroded. The metal part just rusts. I really don't know what happened. Maybe our room just got too humid and moist and this part got ruined. So it doesn't work anymore, and doesn't work at all anymore. So I checked online in the Apple store how much is the original charger, and it is very expensive. So at that time I don't want to spend that much. So I checked other alternative. There are the fake ones, they call it replacement, and I asked one friend who also uses the fake ones already, and she said that it's just working fine. So I bought that one, but unfortunately after a year it didn't work anymore. So, and I got just recently we acquired a MacBook Pro. It's this one, it's the 2010 mid-2010 model, and unfortunately also the charger is faulty. It doesn't charge properly anymore. Even if it's plugged in, the battery just goes down. It's just strange, you know. And thinking of buying two originals for the two laptops is just very expensive, and risking buying again another replacement or the fake ones, they said that it could overheat the laptop when you forget to unplug it. So I have that dilemma, and I made a lot of googling, and I even called the Apple store to check what are the solutions. So recently, I don't know if it's recently, I'm not sure when they launched this one, but they launched a product called this one. It's the MagSafe to MagSafe2 converter, because older MacBooks has the L charger. It's this one. It's like this one. This is the L type, and the newer MacBooks has already this kind of charger. So they launched this product. It's this one. It's this small. It's a converter, so you can actually use the older chargers, the L1, to charge your newer laptops by the use of a converter. Someone is at the door. Anyways, I'm going to open it now so that we will see this one. So I asked them, my dilemma was, can I use a MacBook Pro charger to charge my MacBook Air, mid-2013 MacBook Air, just by using the converter? And they said yes, and I was just so happy that I had a solution for both laptops. Okay, it doesn't come out. Here it is. here it is. This is original. So yeah, yep, it's this one. So this 60-watt MagSafe power adapter is the L1, the L charger. It's this one. Okay, and then you will just attach your converter like this. Okay, so just this one, you can charge your MacBook Pro, and when you attach this one, then you can charge your MacBook Air. So it's just so brilliant that I just bought one original charger for both laptops. So yes, kudos to Apple for making this converter, so I don't have to buy two original ones. Yes, and yeah, that's it. If you ever had the same dilemma as I have, then there is a solution. You just have to buy one charger, the L type, and buy the converter. The MagSafe2 adapter, the original chargers for MacBooks, range from 350 to 370 dirhams. So it's like, in pesos, maybe it's like 4,500, just like that. I don't know exactly what's the conversion, but it's like that. And the converter is only 39 dirhams. So it's like, how much is that? Like 500 or 600 pesos. I don't know exactly. You can convert it. You can times it to 13.4 to get the exact conversion. So yeah, you save a lot actually, and you will not compromise the quality of charging for your two laptops, and you won't think of damaging the laptops by getting the fake ones or the replacement ones. So yes, that's it. That's my quick unboxing, and that's what I bought, the 60-watt MagSafe power adapter. And actually, just make sure or ask Apple Store, or just go to any Apple stores. Just tell them what model you have, because the MacBook Air mid 2013, I have the MacBook Air mid 2013, and the power adapter or the charger for it is 45 watts, and the MacBook Pro, the mid 2010 model, has 65, I think. Yeah, it's 65 watts. So so I just asked them what watts should I buy to use for both laptops. So they said it's the safer one, it's the 60 watts, because if you will buy the 45 watts, they said that the charging for the MacBook Pro will be slower than the usual. So that's only it. So you just have to make sure how many watts should you buy. So yeah, that's it. I hope this helps if ever you have the same dilemmas I had. So yeah, there's a solution for both laptops. So thank you, that's it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.